Block duplicate orders instantly. One user places order after order in seconds, and your store can't stop it. Without limits, anyone can flood your store with repeated orders. Stop order spam before it disturbs your store. Set limits once and automatically block repeated order attempts so you protect operations and focus on real customers. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically cancel an order with multiple attempts from the same user within a specific time. First, make sure the fraud prevention plugin is installed and activated. Now go to the Rules section from the header menu item list. Scroll down to Order Amount and Attempt section. Under the Too Many Order Attempts section, enable the option to track multiple order attempts. Here, you can configure rule wait to 55, time span 1 hour, and maximum orders allowed to 3. After that, click Save Settings button from here. On the shop page, let's add product to the cart and place an orders by to the checkout. Click to place an order. The order is placed with the number 935. Let's repeat the same steps to place second order. Click to place an order. The order is placed with the number 936. Let's repeat the same steps to place third order. Click to place an order. The order is placed with a number 937. Let's repeat the same steps to place fourth order. This time, the system still allows checkout and place an order with number 938, but let's see what happens in the back end. Let's refresh the page. You'll notice first order, normal. Second and third, medium risk. Fourth order is at high risk in status. If we open any previous orders, you can see 2 basic risk rules listed here, and order is 35% with medium risk. If we open the last auto cancel order, in scorecard, see the details. 2 risk points are the same, but the third one is related to the multiple orders in the last 1 hour, which is high risk and canceled by the plugin. This is how you can detect and control repeated order attempts, prevent spam, and keep your store safe. And that's it. To see more related videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here. Let's know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.